Today in this quick video tutorial, we'll be looking at the difference between useMemo and useCallback. Now both of them are optimization technique in React and follows the same structure. Now if you see useMemo and useCallback, they're following the same structure. Its argument will be a callback function and it'll also have a dependency. Both of them will be same. But the slight difference is useMemo will return memoized value while useCallback will return memoized callback function. Now I'll show you how. Alright. Now if you see here in useMemo, it is actually returning expensive calculation. And if you see here, expensive calculation is a function which is returning us a number, right? So here calculation will be a number. It'll be a value. So it'll be a memoized value. But if you see here, useCallback is using the same callback function, but inside of there, it is using set to do's. That means it's using useState, right? So now if you see here, there's a button, and on click, I've added this add to do because useCallback will return a function or a memoized callback function. But if you see here, I'm just displaying the value because useMemo will return a memoized value, and that's it.